Hey guys, this is Carissa from Creative Green Living, and I am coming to you today. We're going to talk about essential oils. At the beginning of the year, I asked in the Creative Green Living community group, which if you're not in it, you should join. If you just go up to the top of your Facebook bar and you type in Creative Green Living community group, it'll pop right up. And it's a great place to interact with me and 1,000 other moms who are interested in green lifestyle stuff. And it's a great place. I find people to people ask questions about what products they use in their home and how to do certain things. And I think it's a really great place to find like-minded moms and connect with them. There's a couple men in the group too. It's 99% moms. So anyway, here I am. And at the beginning of the year, a bunch of people said that they wanted to learn more about essential oils. And they didn't know how to get started, or their friend sells doTERRA or Young Living or some other multi-level marketing type of essential oils, and they wanted to know, should they sell their soul to them to do that? And I will tell you, I am a former doTERRA rep. I don't think you should join doTERRA. And I don't have, I've never worked with Young Living, but I would also say that I think their stuff costs a lot of money. That's what I think. So I wanted to talk to you guys about how to do essential oils in a really affordable way. There's another company that I work with to buy essential oils just as a one-off thing, but they don't have a cool box like this. So I wanted to teach you about this box. So the other company that whose oils I really like are good for if you know what you want and you know how to make it, or you found a recipe online and you want to follow it. I have recipes on creativegreenliving.com as well, but this box is really cool. I'll show it to you. It's from Simply Earth, and it's a subscription box that sends you oils every month, so you can slowly build your oil stash. Because one of the other downsides of the multi-level marketing way to go with essential oils is they're hey, yeah, drop $100, $200, $500, $1,000 on essential oils, and you'll get them. And I don't know about you, but I don't have $1,000 to drop on essential oils. I don't. So anyway, let me tell you about this box. I'm going to flip my camera around so that you can see it, and we'll look at it together. There's a link in the description for this video if you want to click over to their website and check out their subscription box service. And then I also have a code where if you enter that code, it's Creative Green Living Free in all caps. When you check out, you will get a $40 credit. The box is $40 a month. And you'll get a $40 credit after you enter that. So after you get your first box, then you can use, you'll use that credit to get your second box. And then it's getting two boxes for the price of one. And all the stuff that's in it is really cool. So let me flip this around. Bear with me. You guys might get dizzy. Look at my messy backyard where my chickens are. Hang tight. Woo! Look at that. I got a cool new clamp for making videos. Bear with me while I adjust this. There we go. All right. So here's our box, and as always, I love answering questions from you guys. So if you have questions, just type it into the comment box, and I will answer them live while we're here on the video. And bear with me just a second. I'm gonna tag some people in this video who told me they wanted to be notified when I went live. So just hang out for a second. Thanks for bearing with me. The internet. Tagged Honey in there because she wanted to know when I went live. All right, so here we go. So this is the Simply Earth box. This is a subscription box, and this is the one they sent me for February. So inside this box, it's got a cool thing that tells you that they're going to do a big bonus box every 6 months, which is cool. So if you subscribe to the monthly box every 6 months, you're going to get a bigger one starting in March, which is next month. So if you sign up every 6 months, you're going to get a bigger box that's going to come with carrier oil, a hard oil like shea butter, beeswax, and containers to last you for 6 months. So that seems like a pretty great deal to me, especially since $40 a month. I think that's really reasonable. So here we go. Okay, so in this box this month, they come with some menthol crystals. That's cool. I've never done anything with menthol crystals. It has a whole bunch of stickers from Simply Earth. It comes with a bunch of labels. So these are all the things. They come with the recipes to make all of this stuff in this box. So you can make a sore muscles be gone roll-on, a vapor chest roll-on, a breathe inhaler. These are cap labels. A warts be gone roll-on, which sounds interesting. I have somebody in my life who could use that. Shower discs and a germ cleaner. So, and then look, check this stuff out. They come with all of the tubes and the containers that you need. Look, so here's this is an inhaler. These are little bottles that you can use to mix stuff together. Here's another inhaler container. These are roll-on bottles. And I like these ones because they come with the steel balls. I feel like these are a higher quality bottle than some of the ones that you can buy on Amazon. Like, they come with plastic bottles, which are okay. And I like that they sent you high quality stuff, because this one, it's amber, which protects the quality of the oils from light as opposed to a clear bottle. The steel ball, again, this is going to last longer. This is a higher quality product. And I love that so much, because you could easily drop $40 or more buying the stuff just to make these things, but it all comes in here. And then it comes with all of the recipes. So this comes with the recipe for the inhaler, for the germ cleaner. This is for spraying on your countertops to disinfect them. The sore muscles roll-on. The shower pick-me-up disc. Oh, there's stuff on the back. There's one over here. Oh, and then this is for the warts be gone roll-on. And then in this box, so in addition to all this stuff, this is coconut oil. To make the containers, the coconut oil, the roll-on bottles, they come with essential oils too. So you've got these essential oil blends that are proprietary blends. So this one's a blend, but then there's other ones that are straight oil. So like this oregano one, I'm going to take these out of the boxes. I feel like it should slide out. Bear with me while there we go. So these are straight oils too, like this is the oregano one. And this is a really generous size. This is 15 milliliters. This is the same size that you would get if you ordered basically from any other essential oils place. They're not shortchanging you by like sending you like tiny bottles or anything. Like, this is a good size. This is oregano. It comes with lemon. Lemon is a essential oil I really love, and I use a lot of it. I have never even heard of this one, I'll be really honest. So that's cool. I'm excited to learn more about this. It comes from the Ravensara plant in Madagascar from the leaves. Interesting. I'm going to have to learn more about this one. This one I am not familiar with. Cool. Well, I love that they give you the recipes, so you know what to do with it, because I feel like, especially if you bought like a huge kit from like a multi-level marketing company, you might not know what to do with it. This one has clove, rosemary, lemon, eucalyptus, and cinnamon in it. That sounds delightful. Let's smell it. Oh yeah, it smells like, if you're familiar with Young Living, like Thieves or On Guard, it's like a similar, yeah, it's like a similar spicy, almost medicinal kind of thing. And these are classic like disinfecting oils. So that's cool. Awesome. So this, I mean, so it came with 4 bottles of essential oils, which I feel like if you were buying from a multi-level marketing essential oils company, you could easily spend $40 and walk away with like 2 bottles of essential oils, and you don't even get the bottles to make something, the recipes, the inhalers, the oil, the recipe cards, and these labels. So I think this is pretty cool. I'm excited to play with this. Obviously, I have not made my stuff yet because it's all brand new. I wanted to open this box with you guys and show it to you. But I'm really excited about this prospect, because one of my things I'm really into is making sure that people have access to like the healthy living stuff that they need. And when your barrier to entry to join a multi-level marketing essential oils company is $1,000, $500, like that is not accessible. People can't do that. I mean, obviously some people can do that, because some people do. Here, let me flip this around. Woo. Let's see, bear with me. Oh, I was going to talk to you with my face, but now it's all wonky. I mean, obviously some people do that because people sign up for doTERRA and Young Living for $500, $1,000. But I love this for $40. And you can sign up quarterly. If you don't want to do it every month, if you don't want to spend $40 a month, you can spend, I think it's $43 to get 1 box a quarter, which if you are interested in starting, you know, and you can just like put a little bit of money away every month and have it ready so that when it comes out quarterly, I think that's such a great deal. And I love that it comes with these labels. If you were going to buy all of the individual stuff, you would easily spend $10 or more for a package of roller bottles, spend $5 or more for inhalers, This is at least a $10 bottle of coconut oil. I have no idea how much menthol crystals cost. I've never used them. But the essential oils, if you were going to buy similar essential oils from a multi-level marketing essential oils company, I think that this is easily $50 in essential oils, if not more. I didn't check those prices before I started, but like just after having worked with doTERRA for a full year and knowing about what their prices cost, and that's if you've like paid the money to sign up and be like a rep for them. That's not like retail. So if you didn't sign up to be like a rep for doTERRA or for Young Living, you would easily pay more. Like that's maybe $80 in essential oils plus all the stuff, and you get all that stuff for $40. That's a great deal. So anyway, I'm really excited about this company. It makes essential oils really accessible to people, and it's teaching you about essential oils, how to use essential oils, dilute essential oils instead of through. I've got to tell you, I'm really concerned about some of the multi-level marketing ways that they tell you guys to use stuff. I see a lot of really unsafe oil uses being promoted by these companies where they're telling you to use oils straight on your kids, use oils that are toxic on your kids, and that really bugs me. Catherine's got a question. Good kit, aromatherapist, kids like that are, sorry, bear with me. Right in the start, make sure you are looking into the information. Absolutely. Highly recommend the company Plant Therapy. I like Plant Therapy too. I'm a fan of Plant Therapy. Rocky Mountain Oils is another company that I like, and the reason I like them is they do their GCMS testing and they post their results online. So especially if you're using essential oils for a therapeutic purpose and you need something that's high in a particular element, I love that you can look that stuff up online. Especially, and then the other thing that I know, I don't know if Plant Therapy does this, maybe you know, Catherine. But I know Rocky Mountain Oils also, they publish their dilution ratios for their diluted oils, which I really like, because doTERRA and Young Living and Oracacia, they will not tell you what they're diluted to. And that's concerning, because if you want to use it and you need to dilute it more, you have no idea. Or, you know, it's too diluted and maybe you have room, you can add something else to it to be the dilution strength that you need to for whatever your application is. So I think those are really good points. Yep, same thing. Yeah, Plant Therapy does. They have really good, reasonable prices, and so does Rocky Mountain Oils. Absolutely. Yep, I agree with you. Thank you for your comment. Yeah, so anyway, I'm really excited about this kit because I love that it gives you all this stuff and it teaches you about it. And then like Catherine said, make sure that you are looking into these, because I need to look into this box more. I opened it on camera with you guys. If they give you information about the dilution ratio for some of these, because some oils you need to dilute more than other oils. This says that these are all pure and that these are not diluted at all. But some oils you need to dilute more than other oils in order to make them appropriate for whatever your application is. If you're using them on children, some oils are not safe to use on children. So that's something that you definitely need to look into, and don't get your information from doTERRA or Young Living about whether or not they are safe to use on children. I have found a lot of really sketchy information from those companies. Catherine, do you have another suggestion for like a good place to get information about like proper dilution ratios about for using essential oils, or whether or not essential oils are safe for kids? Okay, cool. Yeah, and I love that Plant Therapy has a dilution rate for their pre-diluted blends. That's really awesome. Cool. Well, if you have a resource, I would love to have you throw it in there in the comments. I know you're probably typing, and I know there's a delay between when there's like a delay. I talk, and it goes to Facebook, and then it goes out to the world, and then you guys see it, and then you type it in. So anyway, this is a cool kit. I'm really excited about it. So if you want to check it out, there is a link in this video. You can click the link to check out this kit. There's also the code. It's Creative Green Living Free in all caps, and that will give you a $40 credit after your first subscription box comes, whether you do a quarterly box or a monthly box. And that's basically like buy one, get one free. So I think as far as like a entry-level oils kit, I think that even if you only got the first 2 boxes, right? Like you get one box, you get your $40 credit, you use it to pay for your second box, and then even if you quit at that point, point, like, I think that's a really great deal, that your investment at this point is only $40. You'll have several essential oils at home that you can use, along with recipes that you can use, and equipment like roller bottles and carrier oils and stuff. And I think that's really great. And then if you love it, obviously, you know, keep going if you want to keep building an essential oil stash and learning more about essential oils. So check out the link in the comments with more information on that. Oh, Robert Tisserand has great information. Plant therapy. Awesome. Cool. Thank you for those tips. I really appreciate that, Catherine, for sharing that. And then I will grab some of the links to those things, and I'll drop it in the description of this video once the video is not live anymore, so anybody who comes back can grab those links as well. And then Rachel asked, what are the safest oils to use as far as heavy metals, and what diffuser do I use? You're an essential oils novice. Cool. So as far as heavy metals go, you should be looking at companies that do GCMS testing. Should be able to screen for stuff like that. Like if there's a contaminant in their oil. I think that any time that you can use organic essential oils, I think that's really great. Generally, I want to think that herbs grown for essential oils aren't going to be treated with pesticides, but like there's no way to know, and organic like promises that that is not happening. So anytime you can choose an organic oil versus a non-organic oil, I would absolutely choose the organic oil. The diffuser that I use is, I have a couple of them. One of them is from doTERRA, and Tamra, my friend, the Lead Safe Mama, recently did a lead test on one of them and found, I don't want to say it was like 3,000 parts per million or more of lead in the bottom of that essential oils diffuser. And, you know, the lead might not be able to get out of the diffuser, but I don't want lead in anything that I'm using for wellness purposes, so I do not recommend the doTERRA diffuser. I've been really happy with the diffusers I have from Rocky Mountain Oils. They have not been tested for lead, so I should say that in case we find out later that they are. I would be really surprised, but I was also really surprised to find out that doTERRA has lead in their diffusers. Yeah, that's what I think. So Rocky Mountain Oils is a good place to check out for diffusers. I think that their diffusers are really affordable, because some places have diffusers, like there's this one diffuser my stepmom was looking at the county fair, and it was like, it's like a $200 diffuser, and it's beautiful, but like I don't need a diffuser for $200 if I can get one that is less than that and works. And I'll drop a link in the description of this video for diffusers that you can get online that I think are good quality. All right, cool. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you dropped in the middle, I'm about to save this and put it back on, and you can go back and watch this from the beginning. Click the link in the comments to check out Simply Earth and the subscription box for essential oils. I think this is a really great deal. When you use my code, which is Creative Green Living Free, in all caps, I should talk slower. Creative Green Living Free. All caps. Then you'll get a $40 credit that you can use after you get your first box. So it's like buy one box, get one free, because like the boxes are $39 each. Or you can get a quarterly box for $43. And I think it's a great deal. So if you have any more questions, drop them in the comments and I'll come back and answer them later. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day, guys. Bye.